The field of text-to-video generators is rapidly evolving, with new tools and advancements emerging frequently. Here's a breakdown of some of the top contenders, keeping in mind that the best choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. 1. InVideo AI, known for its user-friendly interface and ability to quickly generate social media-ready videos, excels at turning text prompts into comprehensive video scripts and then assembling relevant media, a strong option for those focused on creating engaging content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. 2. Fliki stands out for its robust text-to-speech capabilities, allowing for realistic voiceovers in multiple languages, offers a versatile platform for converting blog posts, articles, and scripts into engaging videos, a good choice for those who prioritize high-quality voiceovers and diverse language support. 3. Runway provides a suite of generative AI tools, including advanced video editing and manipulation features, offers greater creative control for users who want to experiment with more complex video generation, appeals to those seeking cutting-edge AI video technology. 4. CapCut, a very popular all-in-one video editor that has added many AI features, very popular for short-form video creation. 5. Sora, this is a very new model from OpenAI. It is showing very impressive results from text prompts. It is still in limited access at this time. Factors to consider when choosing a text-to-video generator: ease of use, how intuitive is the platform, video quality, how realistic and engaging are the generated videos, customization options, how much control do you have over the video's appearance and style, text-to-speech quality, how natural and lifelike are the voiceovers, pricing, does the platform offer a free trial or affordable subscription plans, specific needs, what type of videos do you need to create, for example, social media videos, explainer videos, marketing videos. It's recommended to explore the free trials or demos offered by these platforms to determine which one best suits your individual requirements.